Brendan back again. We're at the Canucks liquor store. We're going to be using New Amsterdam vodka, and the drink that we're making today is kind of a play on Windex. So that's the name that we're going to go with today. Put that back there. So we're going to start out with just our tumbler glass. Throw our lemon wheel in the bottom, and then fill it up. Not quite all the way, but a decent amount with ice. We're going to start with 1 ounce of, 1 ounce of vodka. And then this is where you can kind of have fun. You can either use blue curacao, you can use what we're going to be using today, Hypnotic. Anything that's blue, just kind of make your drink fun. So we're going to come behind with 1 ounce of this one, just in there. And we're getting that nice blue. And then, if you like, about ½ an ounce of lemon juice, just because we're going with our garnish there, so about ½ an ounce. There. This one you can just swirl around a little bit, and there you go. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed these videos. Make sure that you check out all the content on that page, and if you try any of your creations and you want to share them with us, tag Edmonton Garrison PSP. See you guys.